Hello everyone, I'm Allie Morgan. When I think about my wellness journey and how I'm trying to achieve my optimal level of myself, I have to think positively about who I am first. I have to be confident about how I'm eating, how I'm moving, thinking, and communicating, especially at work and with my husband. To achieve these positive outlooks, I have to invest in myself and understand how important it is, and I have to set goals. I very much enjoyed this class, and I believe that it truly has had an impact on my life and my husband's as well. Along with this course and things in my personal life, I believe I have started to transform who I am. There's much less time spent on the couch, and I'm doing a 21-day reset. I'm several days in now. I've cut out dairy, gluten, processed foods, and refined sugars, and I've much increased my water intake, and I'm feeling great. I'm exercising much more, and I believe this class has brought to attention other areas and aspects of my life and my wellness that I'm trying to improve every day. I believe that all aspects of the wellness wheel are very intertwined, especially for me. If one is off, then they're all basically off, it seems like. But I've enjoyed this class and learning with you all.